you doing, Carson? What you doing? Hi. Are you helping me with my laundry? Hey. I know you like this video camera. I wanted you to show me how you were helping with laundry. Hi. Why don't you go help with laundry? In the bathroom doing laundry. Carson was folding, but I didn't get here fast enough. He really likes this soap bottle. Really, really likes it a lot. What do you got? What do you got there? You got some soap? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.